Step 1. Left-click Apple icon. Left-click System Preferences. Step 2. Left-click Keyboard. Left-click Input Sources. Check Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. To confirm Input Menu in Menu Bar. Step 3. Left-click plus as in this video. Left-click Chinese, Traditional. Left-click Shuangpin Traditional. Left-click Add. Step 4. Left-click Shortcuts. Left-click Input Sources. To confirm change input method, keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus space. Step 5. Open browser for demo purpose. Left-click Search. Press Ctrl, then press space to change to Shuangpin Traditional. Use the Shuangpin Traditional input method. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.